How to add watermark image in your YouTube videos. So let's begin the video. In your YouTube Studio dashboard, select the Customization tab in the left. And again in the right, scroll down to Video Watermark section. Here, you can add a watermark image, which will appear on the right side bottom on all your videos in your YouTube channel. The watermark image must be a minimum of 150 pixels in height and 150 pixels width. The image can be in any of the image formats, PNG, JPG, BMP, GIF, but no animation. And again, the image file should not be more than 1 megabyte. To add the watermark image, click Upload Link and select the watermark image from your computer. And now, you can set this watermark image either in the end of video or add a custom start time for the watermark image to appear on the videos, or let the watermark appear in the entire video. You can select any one of these options, but the watermark image in the entire video is the best option. And finally, click the Publish button. You can confirm the watermark image in your channel video, so go to Channel page and play a video to view if the watermark images appear in the videos, and done exactly. This brings us to the end of this video. Please like my video, share your ideas in comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.